When conscience trembles, the world changes. The world moves through contradiction. Some guard their conscience, others chase advantage. Yet neither side holds the full truth, for society is built from both harmony and chaos. When thieves or swindlers appear, it is because the world allows them. One thief means one empty space. 10 thieves mean 10 conditions that invite them. We say, but stealing is wrong. Of course. Yet even wrongdoing is part of the system, a fever that signals illness. To hate the fever is meaningless, we must heal the cause. Corruption and injustice are symptoms of an unfinished world. The task is not to curse them, but to understand why they exist. Conscience deserves respect, but must not become a cage. It guides us, but does not move the world by itself. If we cling to moral pride and stop acting, even our rightful place disappears. Society runs not on one person's virtue, but on countless roles, some noble, some flawed. To deny that is to deny reality. A swindler who feels guilt no longer fits his role. It sounds absurd, but it is true. If the system allows deceit, someone will fill that role. The solution is not to destroy swindlers, but to build a world that no longer needs them. Until then, new ones will always appear. Evil exists because something is missing elsewhere. Before judging others, we must fulfill our own work. If I fail to do my part, someone stronger will take its skill, always replaces weakness. That is why competition never ends. It may seem cruel, yet without it, growth stops. Today's world rewards not only virtue, but ability. Kindness is a virtue, competence is survival. Without skill, even justice loses power. Corruption fades only when greater skill appears. True change happens when better ability replaces lesser one. So cultivate ability more than guilt. Let conscience guide your work, not your judgment of others. When conscience becomes a weapon, it turns to arrogance. When it becomes an excuse, it turns to cowardice. It should be a mirror, not a ruler. Contradiction is not failure, but the signal of change. When one says, I can no longer stay the same, transformation begins. The heart shifts, the environment shifts. This is nature's law. For the hungry, conscience is a luxury. Only strength can sustain virtue. Conscience itself is a form of ability. Without inner power, it fades. Do not resent the world. The presence of thieves means society is still incomplete. Within that imperfection, stand firm. Do not escape in the name of conscience. Carry it into the world and act. Build skill, hold your ground, and change will follow. Real change does not come from accusation, but from completion, when conscience and competence grow together. So today, I simply do my work, not boasting virtue, not bound by guilt, but fulfilling my share of responsibility. That, I believe, is the most practical way to change the world.